Okay, we're back, video 3. I had to go off camera to open the blade, and this blade is very stiff. Spring on it is like it's never been used. It's the stiffest knife I've ever opened, honestly. Maybe stiffer than it's supposed to be. You can see they both have the sticker for the hardening test. But you can see the profile on the Prince right here. This knife, this blade has a nicer curvature to it. Comes out. Some of the larger ones, the older ones, have a nice belly. That's what you want for skinning. You know, medium-sized game, large game. You don't need it for small game, but I just like the look of it. But it is functional to have that belly and a curvature. So the Earl would be smaller than this Duke, and the Lord would be smaller than the Earl. The Emperor will be about maybe 3/4 of an inch longer than this Prince, with another at least ½ inch longer blade. The camera's distorting this a little bit. It's probably close to 9 inches in length, I guess. It's hard to tell with camera angle and lighting and all that. Okay, well, that's the PUMA Duke 2022, PUMA Prince 1998. Have fun.